summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on to better days, and the sun will come up again as you brought me the sun. Down, did you hold your ground when you needed to? The way you smile makes the past worthwhile. Now I feel like I believe in a higher love. Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on to better days, and the soul.
So after doing some sound testing, I can definitely say it sounds decent. It's not the best, but it does get very loud. I'm not sure if it is a little bit louder than the MIFA Wildbox. I still have to compare them both, but I'm curious to see how they will compare. So in a very soon video, I will definitely compare it with the MIFA. I do have to say that like the loudness is very good, even very clear sound. Bass is decent, midtones are also great. So overall I think it's a decent speaker. It is heavy, I have to say it, because it's more than 2 kilos. So it's like very heavy, but the build quality is fine. I'll also try to look what's behind the fabric cover to see how it performs overall behind that. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video and see you guys in the next one.